from all walks of life so intensely involved in that activity.
183. They conducted even outside Delhi. Yeah, this is birthday is open to all. I have been part of that at Samadhi.
What is the trend of population of birds here? Means it's increasing or decreasing, or new type of birds are coming, or migratory birds are coming, and how the birds lovers are affecting the population of the birds in Delhi?
So there is no census that has taken place actually.
But you might having idea because you are associated so many years from this bird.
So we are seeing that the count of species has gone up. There are certain birds that were earlier listed there historically for long back. They were not seen. We are seeing those birds. In fact, a very interesting species that has recently been seen last year is Beckel teal. Now, Beckel teal is a species that